this Wednesday is an important day because it is a possible turning point for markets. And I would like to see CPI come in below, 0.25 or so. And I think that would give that jolt of confidence for markets on top of, I think, earnings, which is going to be a positive catalyst. But for investors in the near term, I think they got to ride out the volatility because I think yields here have made people nervous. Not necessarily deteriorated the long-term outlook, but near term. It's important because, as you know, we've been correcting now for almost a month, right? 23 trading days, and 5,700 might be the turning point. It could happen Wednesday, so maybe 2% down from here, but that's really where the market could make a stand. I think if we could lift the cloud of some of this muddling, in fact, Waller last week even said most of the inflation last year was about imputed prices, meaning the real price of inflation was actually much lower. I think that is still the case. Inflation is weaker when you look at housing, et cetera. So once we can get through that noise. But investors, I think, shouldn't be too glum. I think earnings season is going to be something that really solidifies. Look, if S&P earnings growth is 10%, X energy and revenue growth 5%, that's a really good reason to be owning equity.